subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Singapore. This is a box from Prima Taste of Singapore. They've got new packaging on their stuff and a couple changes. And I'm really looking forward to giving it a try. So let's crack it open and have a look. Oh, wow. So if you've been following the Ramen Raider for a while and you know my top 10s, the number one on the top 10 for ages has been the Prima Taste Singapore Whole Grain Laksa Lam Yen. And it's really good. But that's not the only thing they make. They make a whole grain curry. Or no, they don't make the whole grain curry anymore. Actually, they make a curry, which is excellent. But they also make other stuff that I don't know if a couple of them will be available in the US, and I know two of them won't. So let's look at those. So this is their fish soup, and no, this won't be available in the US. This is new packaging for this. It's a slightly smaller size, and it's got a really nice fish broth to it. It's really deep, rich. It's got that signature Prima Taste noodle that I absolutely adore. And yeah, I'll be reviewing this one soon. The interesting thing about this is that in the cooking instructions, it mentions adding like a little bit of whiskey to it, which I thought was kind of interesting. So yeah, it's been a while since I've had this, but I'll be trying it again soon. And here we have the black pepper crab. I don't know if this one's going to be in the States. I hope so, because this is quite good. It's got a strong black pepper effect to it, and it's really good. Again, this one has that great noodle, but this is a dry variety. And here's another soup style variety. This is their prawn soup. This one, I remember in the directions on this, they mentioned adding water spinach. That's something that's kind of hard to get here, but I'll see what I can do. Again, that awesome noodle, and this one's really good. And finally, we have chili crab, which is one of the signature dishes of Singapore. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's crabby, and it's another dry variety. So this will be good. I've had this before, but I don't know. Maybe with the changes, it'll be a little bit different. Well, thanks again to the nice folks over at Prima Taste for sending these over. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving these a review again in their new clothes, and I'm really excited. So yeah, got to go get some special stuff for garnish, and yeah, I'll be trying these soon. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.